Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest digital tools to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to send DocuSign via text in 2025. If you're tired of emailing bulky documents or dealing with outdated signing methods, this update is a total game changer. DocuSign has evolved to let you send secure documents directly via text message, saving you time and hassle. Whether you're a business pro sealing deals on the go or just sharing forms with friends, let's dive in step by step. First things first, make sure you have the DocuSign app installed on your smartphone. Head to your app store, search for DocuSign, and download the latest 2025 version. It's free and user-friendly. Once that's done, open the app and log in to your account. If you don't have one, sign up quickly, it only takes a minute. Now, let's prepare your document. Upload the file you want to send, could be a contract, agreement, or any PDF, from your phone's gallery or create one directly in the app. Next, add your recipients. Tap on the Recipients section and enter their email or phone number. Here's the cool part for 2025. Select the Send via Text option, which uses SMS integration for instant delivery. Customize your message if you want. Add a quick note like, "Please sign and return," then hit Send. DocuSign will generate a secure link that gets texted to the recipient. They'll receive it on their phone, review the document, and sign it electronically without needing to download anything extra. A few tips to keep in mind. Always double-check recipient details to avoid mix-ups, and ensure your document is formatted correctly for mobile viewing. If you run into issues, like delivery failures, check your internet connection or contact DocuSign support. They're super responsive. And there you have it. By now, you should be sending DocuSign documents via text like a pro. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.